Hi everyone. So today it's the Wednesday, the 8th of August. Well, the day that I'm filming, that's the date that I'm filming this video. So I've been in Canterbury for about 4 days now. So this morning I am heading to the gym just to get a bit of exercise and to work a little bit on my stamina, because for the Tempest I do lots of running around as on the Spirits, which is really great fun. But you know, just need to make sure I can do it all really comfortably, and you know, going out to get some exercise really gives you a big positive boost. So today I've got the gym, and then I'm meeting my friend Ellie in town for a coffee and a catch up, because I haven't seen her in quite a while, and then I'll be back here. I'll probably get some dinner, or depending how hungry I am when I come back from town, and then I'll probably go, and then I need to go to Tempest rehearsal, where we're going to have everyone together, which is very exciting. So yeah, it's another gorgeous day here in Canterbury, and thankfully the temperature's dropped, so we've got it's a nice breeze, and it's temperatures in the 20s rather than the 30s as it was yesterday. Oh, it all looks absolutely fantastic. Which included some personal bests on the machine, so I'm very happy about that. Oh, looks like the cleaning people are around. Oh, hi. So, and then I went and had a bite to eat at Cafe Nero and got a ham and mozzarella panini, just like I do when it's term time. So I think plan now is to get back into my room, have a shower, and get ready to go and see Ellie. Oh, that's much better now. So it's now just about 5 to 2, so I've got over an hour till I need to go and get the bus. So I'll probably go and I'll aim to get the 3 o'clock bus, so I can be there for 25 past to go and meet Ellie. So for now, I'm just filling out a document with all the stuff that us Spirits do, just so we can keep track of what's what. So now I am heading to the bus stop, so I'm going to catch a bus and get into town and go and see Ellie, which is very exciting. So I just chilled in my room and listened to stuff, did some script editing as I said. So yeah, it's been okay. I've certainly been quite busy today than I have been before, which actually really feels really quite nice, and can't wait to show Ellie my new rucksack. Oh, I love it so much. So the Costa that I'm due to meet up with her in is next to Waterstones, and that was where I met up with James, Alfie and Esme when I came down on my last overnight trip before I came here to be here full time for 2 weeks. I wonder what houses those are over there. Not Turner Court, I don't think. Hang on, let me show you. Curiouser and curiouser, said Alice. Curiouser indeed. so me and Ali have just had brownies as well.
I'm too poor for a brownie.
Yeah. Joys of being a student, sadly, isn't it, sweetie?
Very true. Ellie's got to go to work now.
Brown faces only.
Happy faces.
Right, so I'm now back at Darwin, so I'm back from town. Had a wonderful catch up with Maxine and Ellie, so they're two of my really lovely best girlfriends. So I'm just going to grab my iPad and pop to the loo and just pick up a couple of other bits and pieces before I head out to go and rehearse for Tempest. Oh, what a wonderful and busy day this has been. Okay, so it's nearly 5 to 6, so I'm now heading over to Elliott College to do Tempest rehearsal tonight. Though I think I'm not actually sure who's going to be there because people have put on the chat that they're going to be late, so I'll be interested to find out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to tonight. Hopefully we should have more of our lovely fellow cast members there, so piece more things together. The guys have got their swords out. And everyone's
Jen is coming to
might have to be
very
careful.
soon.
Hey Erin, how's the sword? Top man. There's John with his famous stick. Can't seem to get enough of that, can you? Right, so I'm now back in my flat. I've got a cup of tea brewing. So my plan is to maybe do a little bit of editing this evening and then just getting to bed soon because I'm just so tired. But I've had a really lovely day, you know, busy but very lovely. So after I said goodbye to Maxine, I went to rehearsal, and even though we were a few people were absent, we did a full run of the whole show and it was generally very positive, and Tom was very happy with what he saw, though there are still some creases, as he says, to iron out, but we've got time, so it should be absolutely fine. So I think this concludes this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!